I'm happy to see the AI solution, which is we can streamline the operation, so can help the hotelier focusing on the customer service.
There's a lot of innovations and localized solutions which will help our local hospitality a lot. So great events.
我哋都接觸到酒店業嘅客戶啦，咁佢都講咗俾我哋聽佢哋嘅需求嘅，學咗啲酒店業需要嘅嘢啦。
咁我哋本身係做開醫療類別啦，咁其實喺香港都未做到去酒店類別嘅，咁但係喺呢度咧都可以見到唔同嘅酒店嘅 GM 啦，好多嘅高管啦，咁亦都可以幫到我哋 expand 喺香港嘅酒店業。